Assalamu alaikum badi mbal numbara la momon jalan ko be mol jibe kan amen to sainten an badi malum swebu presenting for SS media sainten felen tala in the man clinic ko bada do. Unfortunately mol bi jane kabri 5 to 6 hours 5 to 6 o'clock, and then, but we are not granted access to enter inside the hospital to conduct the interview there. They said they have some policies against that. Understand? We try to contact different various people, but still they said we have to contact the chief medical director of the Gambia and then Edward Francis Hospital for that person to grant us so we can have interview inside. That could not be possible, so we decided to come outside and have an interview with the family members. Luckily, we also found Yakuba and Dabo here, who is the chairman of the Gama Area Council, came to donate some equipment, so we can have him on board, and then we continue with the interview here. Like, come be nyabala nyamen science, and then we are at the man clinic. We are on the main we are on but what we call is that if people put you there, when they are at a good situation, you be with them. If they have bad situation, you be with them. So we right now we are standing with the chairman of the Kama Area Council. Understand? And he is here to show condolence and then also visit the patients that are here. Chairman Inumbara.
Inumbara. Bela vivo solbe kontonna. Mo bebe dawda bebe kontonna. Komi ya fanyami. Sunolemu. Na dinnungul be football celebration la. Moto ye dunte kono ay dinnin sabafa dinnin jamal baramata jama balu wolu la life changed completely so umukulet miyalo sunu balti
so and then echo didn't jama me along ko life changed completely, so we would love to know about that because more natale également more allowed pour ne dun konoto and then me asabu fana interview weke kan jam banta jam fana wala more reason fananti so ni ko life complete changed completely. We will not have footage to show to the people, but you that went inside, you see there, can you kindly tell us what do you mean by that?
So we have about 20 patients in there, about I think about 6 or 7 or almost maybe about 12 of them are having they have sustained life-changing injuries. So some of them, they're going to be amputated. That is a life-changing injury. And they're going to have their whole life transformed overnight. And that's a big psychological battle that they're going to go through. So the families, this was something that hadn't been planned, and all of a sudden have medical bills that are huge and they have to deal with in order to care for their loved ones. So we as a area council decided that it is important for us to come and stand in solidarity with them, not only to pay to show our condolences or to share the sad situation with them, but also to come and support them financially in order to help them take care of some of their medical treatment, medicines, and other things. So we were able to buy a lot of medicines for them, that which we believe would serve them for at least another 2 weeks. So within that 2 weeks, our hope is that apart from one medicine that we've not been able to get, the rest we've been able to buy all of that. So we are hoping that they wouldn't need to go out to somewhere. Sometimes they have to go all the way to Westfield in order to get some of the medicines that are prescribed. So imagine if you have a patient that is in pain, and then most of those kids are in serious pains because of the injuries they sustained. So you have a child that is dealing with such pain and has to endure it, waiting for the parent to go all the way to Westfield or other places to get the medication to come back in order for the child to be able to take that or to apply it. So now that we have provided that to them, at least for the next 2 weeks, they wouldn't need to go to make that distance, to make that journey in order to get those medications.
Okay. Second to last point, that is, and then among your statement, you said for the parents to go up to Westfield to collect the medicine.
Yeah.
Is it that the parents are the ones facilitating those medicine for them? Like those?
Yeah.
The parents are the one
buying everything. So the hospital will prescribe for them, and they will have to go and buy it. This is what is happening there.
What if the patient the parent did not have then the
money? Then this is the problem. So the situation is very, very pathetic. It requires a lot of money, and if your patients have gone through, or your family members or loved ones are unfortunate enough to go through such, it's a very big challenge for that family. So that's why, as a council, because as a council, we tend to budget for medical support and medical health, medical help, we call it, in our budget. Last year, we budgeted about $1 million. This year, because the demand that we had last year surpassed the amount we budgeted. So this year, we budgeted $3 million for it. Already, we have committed 200,000 of that towards this accident or incident. So hopefully that should take them for a while, but it wouldn't be long lasting. It wouldn't be enough. So what we also plan to do for them is to do a fundraising online to try and trying to raise as much funds as we can for them, because some of those kids they're going to need a long time treatment. And that would require a lot of financial expenditure, and their parents are already not financially strong enough to be able to support them through that period. So it would be important if we call out to some of the good philanthropists out there to support, and once we get that money, we can help many of those children. Some of them are already referred to Banjul. The ones that are in very critical conditions, they are still admitted in Banjul. We've not been able to get to them today, but we'll try to get there either tomorrow or Wednesday, so that we can see how best we can support them as well. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Chairman. And then thank you for students, for your people at the time that they need you most. Then the last word that you say to the parents, maybe because you
is alata, and then let them know that they are not alone and that we are here for them, and the whole of BAC would be there to support them, because this is not something that which anyone you can say can be blamed for sustaining it. It was an accident, it was an incident, and somebody had been a bit more careless in terms of the vehicle, the roadworthiness of the vehicle that they were driving. And then also, I don't know how qualified the driver was, but he should have known that there were a lot of people on the road. And for him to plow into such a crowd shows that he had not been paying that much attention on what is ahead of him. So for the parents, we want them to understand that they are not alone in this, and that we are going to stand with them, and we are going to do whatever we can. So we commiserate with them, and we want them to take heart, and we pray for the speedy recovery of the children that are going through a lot at the moment. And we also pray for those that have passed away. May their souls rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Chairman. Thank you so much, Davo. And then the chairman of Brikama Area Council, we just heard him what he has to say. He's on the building here right now to visit those students and then the people that were affected, and then the family members also, but to share something with them also. You understand? That is medication, as we call it, because the medication in here is the parents has to provide the medication for the people, so which is very sad indeed. So we're gonna have the parents here, let them explain how it went and how they are tackling the situation. Thank you. Stay tuned. Okay, mbadin kon na fale nyame and then ni yanko bota diamula na fale lo komba trala na family members will financial support. Then we have been pushing and pulling for interview conduct. Kabirin 5 to 6 lemon were ground but they don't allow us to enter inside. For all protocols, so I don't know what are they hiding inside. So honestly speaking, left any family members all the DM, we have more situation member inside hospital. But the number about Tudima Salif Lam Salif Sanya. So Hector is lono jana Lomolia. Okay, Salif then let's talk for you explain more for Molia accident in Kata is a very terrible accident. Understand there's a lot of things that are going in. Mole Safi role Jelemania along come understand. So lafta kananu janka clarify mole, but then ye banne pour access the mola inside. So then my family members say you are inside, we want you to tell people what is inside.
Mumbai inside that ngalong Gambia la problem, so yan from bota ng Italy le no.
You're right.
Yes, but Mumbai kono tayo no, it's very painful. Ni ala mbe na talo fonten le no. Isi na talo ni fon ya understand. Yes, ndola mo Mumbai kono tayo no, kabring sibiti no suto e fota jando. e man dol bi yan say mema e simol katitale si nyafla dol bi je no itel mol mala foy katitale foy barab noti ni mammo atten e ko scan neke so scan na be danta wala no kabiri wolo fo bi e simol bandas nyamen hansa bolo nyama.
And you mean what you are telling us is that 48 hours ibe laringe mema after the incident?
Ye scan ne ko scan ne bi suba e scan kele bare be lari wolo nyama simol katitale dol bi je si nyafla la fo si nyasa ba mo malong ye simol ye bandas nyamen kabiri azon keda no fo bi o bandas ko keda
birka banda so ni keto to fa keda jan
be keda bitama be keda janne so kabiri wolo suto no abanta yelo bi jari ni simo be hand right now ningal na kono to no alba jalal no e simo bala be mu yelo lati e balol bala den ko fongol bala no la rawol fongol bala no la rawol fong darab tigi fongo fen tigi no situation be trebul la fongol buga soto no yes bi le fongo no dol bi no la rawol soto bi kabiri wolo no mo fula ka de la rawol la mo sabay no
in the serious consider inata men kono mo fulale ka del la rana do bije hanisa man okay man jiota ko e ka mo balo vitamin na yiro ka vitamin na mo fando de
no ko man dol my blue la follow right now no okay mi nyan ko dol bije no yo la fen gole king banda so ni yo le king b wo fana no mo le balanta no pour se banda so ni king
after 24 hours le change
bi around 3 krafo ma fanga la ina re because ko do kula mala mo danta ne bije do kula man so lo tano kono is bukula tijeno wala na ala le dun ko because na da kono ten na be situation o jela jeno alfa mami expect no Gambia kono no
the situation o jela mami expect
ya ben bin jela alfa mami expect because al bata da no mo khla be la ran kele min yalon ko be sun katita no ni woni ka do ka ko lo jana do ya ko tilin jana no pour ye kun laran dun ka laran no mbo la de lotan laran dun mo fla wala be tala lar je patient mi an ko sun kata fa kati fla le fo sabale mo malo right now you know
so and okay now in terms of medication so sa laran ko mi la problème odi e man dal bandas so sa ye borol di la le bang o bor ko be nyaadi le
bor bu ko soro lu tano to e fengo bi janga to dum pharmacie mo bi jana mo be kata fa wolto no ka boro sangi no ni mi ta boro la no mo be kata wolto tangoti no yang snata no ya ni la moli no right now no ye boro fe nangi no so pour ka financial help boro is very cost ngamara no o manke kulo ko de Gambia no boro costa wagale no
but then and then nalo no boro manke da Gambia kono le ni tata loptano ta kasofal mo especially in Nemban here but then ka fo mo men yalon ko dia in a serious emergency wol fan na boro man ta loptano kono studio
boro te loptano kono complete alala ni be mbulo kono loptano kono hani boro ama soto je hani fen atije no sorry loptano kono han boro han fenti je to loptano kono nothing zero hani boro ay jio min belola e be boro min dila pour ka dimo sumiyandi na molle kata san nang pharmacie ngoto e kanana nal meta jando albe jelale kata mi ko den yang se boro area council e boro min naten tanding so sayno yo safeje walat nalte jele ka findi kata hano boro ni fango ko amanke tale no boro ni manke tale so do bi kata fa sir kunda kara boro ni sanna because of pharmacie ngoto ja manke ta jele no e ka dimo sumiyandi min ato loptano kono prastamo no tije
loptano kon hani paracetamol so mol men yalon ko sin katita mol men yalon ko sin kati kilinta fulate mol men yalon ko backbone problem mol de la fang
dafa do ma bije to right now no still mo malo fo ate katitale fo abotale fo mu lekara kabir wolo ngoy ko scanning kele wolo fo so manda natale murun taji itata ya fo nyoka english la je malo min foji ndema ngale ko moy
so say kabiri murun ta nyoka ani sante mayte matel consult e ma any information la because akada nyaaw jandi Sambole, aketa nyawnyandima, yes scanning ke at least after some hours you need to come to the parents or the guardians many along ko wolbije kanita ndila ko okay na scanning ke but this is the result or yekuma fale membal hakilo dag kundila or yekuma fale about the situation to update you
mom malam because we know what man
so they never came to update you guys
e man na fo maybe for so much because so could after 8 now so could no maybe so my sina na kuma do fo molye because dol bi yew no ko bi da banju nek da scanning ke dino be complain kan kun dimo la no tabirum kunun ko e hansa e ma ko scan ka lo munem ma problem fa al school tetale mo malong fa kun tetale mo malong still no dino bi je suto no ka ko sitile no pour dimo tenkun no o be kono to jande na al dinta je no albe ku jela fa no wala ni tal ala le dum albe kato be kla fo ali batay no e tal ala le dum kono to no the situation is terrible inside no because because to my surprise is that at first Natalie security and fanya wolam alla misono at succeed la
deliberately, straightforwardly. All of them mission not to succeed. So I had to call the PRO of Gambia Police Force. No contact. We need them to so police will back up. But then security of the hospital. We need to contact the CMD. You understand? To welcome the more doing inside there. If not, we are not going in.
It all permit la because situation on the konoto no. It's terrible. It's terrible. Now for the jeto. Musolo wolte hay atu fa ngale kumbula ifunda because jeto no right now mo ko dum konoto no man kumbo. Nda buka kumbo bar kabirem fota konton kumbo tale no. Na first time fota konto no ngabdi ngol je dimo kuliata dinngol no these people you know they are 20 years see no maybe more flalem. The rest will be 12 years lem, 13 years lem, 10 years lem, you know. The rest, all of them are that 19 years. I'm killing about I think full. The rest are all children, you know.
So, according to for complain. It's now close to 72 hours. Kabriming incident Up to now, imala brain scan. Ka no munu mala kundi muna problem moti.
So, ni ka for the ika nka be fo ka boro millo pour la dimo fenke. So ko le fenke suto sa ententing no yol sa fe fengol be ne tu no dinol be ne tu pour rasa na botangoti no area council no yang snala moli no ye boro ni fenan do boro ni is cost ya on sanan bandaso no bandaso is very cost no I think 300 nima miss or 350 something like that you know bandaso to lotano kone no raman mentaro nung pharmacy do kata bandaso ni kay no bandaso to lotano kone ntara kata bandaso sanang no is 350 ya on san ka bandaso sanna so every day no nyatra ko ndo mani nyenta ka bandaso ya on san 350 no ntara pour kata wole bandaso ni sanna ya safe no ntara je kabum futa je no ngani ka jellem nda fon surprise tale because of bandaso no 350 kabum futa fo nyeno muruntana kabir muruntana no nata nga murunta janne fom barata no after nata yang sna mo jawna san so nga fen ko nyin tandila so ko nyako tol ya be ko nyin be fen kana pra nana so ko nyama njar ka bandaso sa yawna san itol be bandaso nyin be fela na ne pro dinol ye bandas wala at na no man na bandaso nyin murum bakra bandas be gonda ngamra no kabir nga bande jije no nga ngamra no like it will be like $50 you know or $25 bam futa no ko may surprise no nga be taraji ya jele nyin be ka dung mo be kana ne be kata katila fen kolte no e be kata katila banda dumale no wala be la consultant fen kolto rumolte no because of la tije to no
kabrin any person nana taka la duma
abe ke la duma right now you know nimin nato no abe ke la duma le no so mo jama bije no min yalon ko e blue ko be ngeno ke la mol bondile no e ke samba kata private clinic kolte no
so now more men yalon koy buloye kobe wol kila diun bondile samba private clinic
yeah
government atel diun mukana jang completely so tebe muna fala to the Ministry of Health the president what will you have for the public
because they are aware of the situation minister you know they are aware of the situation because yala on the man clinic you know sa banko be yalan sa no mo jama ka be be trap because minil fango banta you know kabrin kunu you know ima la munela problem ode min banda kunun yewel sambali rate bade bare do fala no munela problem ode because ima mo min scan kabrin kunun ima la ko lo be lo na nyaadi le munela fa because as na kata wolde fa ya onesan bar sa you know munela problem ode bare ni mo emergency so da fotan nang no wes emergency ya onesan so pronto so emergency ya onesan so ni na ta no fo dum dafen ko na to do emergency place ode nyanta ke scan kala munela problem ode first so ite mawol long so bole nyama jeno so oli ka boro di la improve di mo nyetala abanda so di rest imala mun dafa mo problem
so akamunta
ni soni no
so akamunta ni na hospital with an emergency all they have to do is they keep giving you painkiller to wait for the gamble natare abe nyotala ay nyota na dun tare ititala yetu jawo nyama but then they cannot do any effort just for them to see ka ajibe ala mengele
ko wala fo because wala bije no because han no so nyim fangole no so nyim woli ko ke la katole ke bare nothing is in the hospital zero is in the hospital center hospital ko na if all ka fole minister mane ne pour model adne kanjanto doctor no we farinde so itam mo sabab dom bulala no do kabrin somonda ya on sane bi kabrin somonda e manna mol attend for after 2 so minister 3 what after so minister 3 no inata kana ka mol kadinol ka long fang no kadinol that is after wasanga mela post me na ke jibe le ma be fenke de ke jibe de be si me ma folo
ani bi me ma ke
ma dinol ma be la rin nyame no na funo fanga
Okay, send me mental walam, and then I will ask you to send me those ones.
no nin problem on buka picho ta la because of la tano kono ko nonte fanga la ko ya on san bani afara nungu no ngana ta lo tano siata non you be surprised la no ko actually no ñu bula la tano fanga kono right now ko blow me ma san janda na ko to kende baraka fudale janda ko to ke kono to so ay buka imagine di non ngam fa barama ta oldi barka nga ga ko ñi akati tale fofu la lem fo kilin nem fa botale akata o kedal fo a botale akatita mo malo abe nyaadi fo kadi fulale bi jeto mo malo kabrin sibiti no suudo no fo bi no
So sending how many patients, well, how many dinduna be lari on touch?
no right now I think man mistake 24 or 25 man mistake wala bi jeto so 24 dol bi jeto dol bi jeto e bol ko di mo lol ma bare wol man graw so but mingi katita wol mamma
How many of them?
mingi katita it will be like asiatale mang fen ko no mbaji
So okay, now let's say this: 25 Gambians are lying in the hospital in an emergency situation. Sending. This has to be a collaboration thing. You watching this video, share it. You watching this video, make sure let us thank every single government holder. Let's take these things in our own hand. It's together that we can change this nonsense. This is too much, to be honest. I'm gonna call it a nonsense despite of everything. If you want, come for me. I want that. You understand? This is a total nonsense. If it was their children, this would not be happening. It can happen now because
you got debate for narale e ko debate no staff lan defa ngajo kunungi no debate na la murumurun te tara but ye ko di authority no membe caring konoto mala fa understand
so now that means from top there they are all aware of the situation. So
bangkok de tu no from this place kabo kafuta kanana fo janto ambulance o diwalo ga kuma ko mo silokang mo be je silokang na be ka mo le no ambulance open ambulance o be tambla don within 10-15 minutes dole ka tambino be mo lewe moto kono moti je mu ke bara be mu dinni ngol letino so a situation mo mo kumba gambia kono no fo ni min mantar gambia jahni mantar gambia jangino a situation o te kumbala no
yeah so la fa ko do fe len situation o be nyame albulo mal ko be Malone area council not they also try to do something the medication or nothing, but that will not be lasting thing. Or maybe 2 days, 3 days.
Boro min ka fenko dinu wala dimo tala. Yemin fo. Yemin samana it will be like 3-4 days.
3-4 days.
So but min ka fenko ke. But dinu sulata makoro minano. E sulata makor bal.
So same thing. Gambian ol nalo ne dul bije men yalon ko ala yeson. You understand? Dul bije men yalon ko bulo be koben. E malo be modol ma ko la nya. For us nimbe ni interviews if am nan ka men kan ka klendi wolom. We don't need to put our number there. So ite be number la fola galie. Me alon ka mari lafta ka mako roke nalo ne gambe no dol fam je they don't love to show up. So lafta ka mako roke off camera off everything. Abe link la le a senye alon ko ibe gal assist la nyame natural be necessarily e bondi jang ale samba private clinic ko kono ka gal scan kela situation lo so ni iso communicate
ni a try no ntol da moli no janto no mol minute katita bake mol be interesting wala fa wala bake bar mol be sular mo be jaraku mo be jar ya understand bal mol min yalon ko katita wala jaralo ni exactly mol min wosta bake mol wol fa mo be ko si janto so mol be sular wala la ko number dambul ko nga fo nyame no man fenke janto but ni atara after sen numbal diala ke bay bi janal fal bi janay be kono to ko be busy ni jelo no be dinol ko naje dinol be kumbola be si won be sitiri ne kabin lumin azan ka dafa sani e si won be ayidi ta fenko kono le bandaso ni kono le e si won bandaso kono be abenu fenko tino abenu yelolti yo situation be kono to no ni nga explain no ata understand ko min album ta kono to no ali dinol si woje no yaji ko no won te fa si won ni yemin bandas tenting yaji ko no e bilari min ka abenu yelolti fenko wato dum fa drapo tijede na mole ka drapo fene ka fene jiro so e bilari da drapo min kan drapo fan ka ji kata fenko ka penetrate no yelo ni yawna san aka penetrate no kata fenko kan ato fa matla ni kan no ka matla be non di no that na din da kono to no e best situation o jela no you don't expect
that one thing naturally level best because as you can see right now it's almost to 9 to 10. You understand it? Then covering 5 to 6 months and I can't try to do. I even went to an extent to tell them that off camera, but in song, no way, we cannot get in.
And the camera le malla, alkalo kam bunda ko to. no lamo drong yalo wala na jando inti babul fata because ke babul eta hani tan loptano to you have to bet fenko tira to fang loptano la keba amanke security loptano la keba ba jelale because of this emergency you understand if na loptano no as a journalist you know alman fenko jeno alman moje
There's no one there right now.
be minalen doctor nyata kada min nyata kal update about the situation but mortal update la because it in the man in situation so no I understand in my situation so because doctor you know by right no ning situation so like this mo 20 something baby larun lopano kono be paramata the same time la understand doctor ko abo bana sino la okay la lopano ko no kaje ko hanmi nyalon ko be so ko no be off duty wala no duma sino be nyanta report la to duty sino ina non kana dinwol mako you know but no tije duma sino jang off completely kuno ngam duma so de jang off completely be ko man ke duma sino ma fa understand kuno ko azan kara fengo sibidino duma sino jang be ko man ke so dinu tawol nyama fobbi ma fa understand
No understand me.
it tawol nyama fobbi bi fa lay natale din ngole koy bi da do opère la ya fa ko bi ila mi fa la scanning but it for after 3 e ko ya bayle
Because some then fan the some of their senior official premier nyoje. The senior official jang no man tari jang completely. Only have to get you goal.
Motige albe so la funela then ye robisol file.
Yes.
Ibe robisol le folal. So but ni adra no ale access so no kono do ale parents solje. Then albe surprise la ko nyimba hapu ni abe kering gambia kono no. Fasa ni afon de famo no ndede la lay no. Kabri so ndam jando. Ya understand. Kabri so ndam jang wal fon kana jang buka believe no situation be tandine jongo belbe tinyari jongo buka clean dinu wal be larin dame no la sama do ko jibe no e da ben fon kolde yelo fon kolde kolel ni ndam yaw na san because boro min kab ben no dumay no abuka fito yaw na san docteur o jibe patient be jarata min ko ngamil to jedo yaw na san ni bo fon kam boro min kab ben duma han clean al fon ti jedo can you believe in the and the hospital clean al ko e jidale no tan kono do ja bebe de tiri no you can believe this you know nankal ala boy ko da bebe no rin
And then okay now and then abaraka bake then nothing si modo so no lokula then but abaraka
ya wuro moy
abaraka bake
ya wuro moy okay ko mo le banda sa
Dala min fula government wala ko like jamin kada about government na said ba na bola tang sabag min kada honorable Kiaman yang wadawol BCC Kiaman katale ano na vote wala pura ke bango sambalon although president on bodo ni loptano ko right now thing ay bodo sanne o kula hal mili fa halon janna kananang economy use be reform ni dali o madwala alma sula place o wala alma la go min bala la fay o kula gamba men fula government kalinde although the man government coming under Narijang Kalajane. But even government Mamo killing the young and sad bakele. You go to Bongo Domina, you go Bongo Kasuno Bigi. I Jahal Wadim, no government. You can look down very young. Satokolo, Omana Fasul in the fee. You look down in Miso, Ducare, you are tried by all means. The facilitation okay. You go and can also look down. Your boy is sung. Boy ka boy sa kulo mina kuno student ya for almost 2 o'clock. Mal sa lang ka boy jana kami bakaw jak. Na boy sa fu ba ko te boy. Ba ko te banta ba. Ufo bila na bangko ka na ba. Ina bangko jibo gamem bangko doli ni na bangko doli ya jamang ke bangko. Kondi do bi gamem satil. So ni na gamem tuno gi konta la bangko. Loptano to mga boy soto. Emergency ka so mga tino so boy. Eh mo ke la bangko to. Tije dino mo fla kila ran killing maybe ye fora ama ke kila sa to yes for la mo flo ka la duma mo fla ran killing dan me jang
say natare mo yele mata say dindo be sino ka
dino ba sino la ay aga comfortable dino la man tan la ma su dino je kuno tabi mo ye killing banda dino ba the fe be ko ba sela le dino control no they are out of control because I get dinner for I get man the book I dinner from come complain dinner na dinner ya ka go man bo di mo man fan dinner dal ka sela yal because I confuse tale go go to katida boy they su katida boy mi ka long they will cut it up boy dilla private city ya boy
baraka bake
dilla anu pia wata ni to ya to ya ni pia bana
kulo mi alon kadi amo sia bara ni ko mbafala si lono la fasini
billahi wala
ande tamo to bando la ni ko so mbafala baraka bake la tamo di mo la dina la ko jam alama ale jo
baraka bake alfana mbado ko mina ko la media do ko amandiya ngel be ka kele dama easy gara be banko do ko media mo jaka dia media alafta banko le nyato talla baminta na gambe government la ya gambe don sula gambe don ni sula ni yaji yake in power be jigole siye ye budin no de no je mbela jilo ba man sakunda la kanu man sakunda do lolo kana mo jola hani kam ndi min sambo bidu ko de kana mo jo na government ka je min samya ka Istanbul ka because of tax lang so babang sakunda da na mina ni la sidisino le emergency so de lo ye makoy anin fana min la yalon koy blow ko ben ya mundi in the community ya ka ba ko bakele na community ma ko bake so ya to na dinul ba al halo min nyama dol bi yo ko se conditional kono so alma alo ma bala dana fa wili kan mi fana yalo ko 14 yola alma ni malaka hinantel ben kila huma mila sula al janola alma go se sona lela al fal fanan wala ndala duwata banko fana alma sula kam tebe kam wala na maltima mo man na jampul ka banko ti nyambe banko do kulalati so min fala gambe government ne ya tra banko don sula ila hajol to pato wala ndala kumot
baraka bake ane mbadi ala baraka bake wolam kumoti mo me alan ko na moy jang mbi ala ne ko melorin dimbalance ndeman clinique la sainte comme nal bi nyabala mo men na melorin ngela sain botol fan koma but then situation men bi ja is too terrible you understand ko ni incident o kata dal over now close to 72 hours imam guy treat imam fenke just park like a mendi la wolam pain killer some of them are not having bed and some of them two people are sharing one bed you understand how is that possible many are ko there in a serious incident o kono two people get bed kilo sayaka so mbadi namole and then la family fani men for family members only men for many ko be kunandi tola le yankuba fana mo men kata honorable and then the chairman of Birkama area council ta nata janay donation o dolke so mba fala le ko la barka bake jibero la fo wati ko rek